Qualifications of investment bankers. A bachelor's degree in finance or accounting or mathematics provides the basis for a career in investment banking. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority also requires investment bankers to pass some exams, including Series 7 and Series 63. Besides having a degree and passing FINRA exams, many banks also prefer candidates who have obtained an MBA or master's degree. Furthermore, investment bankers should be able to show strong problem-solving and analytical skills. Lastly, knowledge of different financial instruments and markets is critical. The best way to get ready for a career in investment banking is to gain experience. Participating in an internship or working part-time at a bank or other financial institution can provide invaluable insight into how the industry works and decisions are made. This experience can be beneficial, both in how to land a job and how to perform once employed.